My name is Ira Weissman. I'm a partner in the law firm of Nyberg, Obedin and Weissman. I've been practicing in Suffolk County for 23 years. I want to talk to you about the difference between driving while intoxicated and driving while ability impaired by drugs. Driving while intoxicated is an allegation where the police claim that you are intoxicated by the consumption of alcohol, and the law states that if you're found to have 0.08 percentage of alcohol in your blood, you are over the legal limit. What's interesting is that with driving while impaired by drugs, there is no such line in the sand. The law doesn't have a limit, which if you're over that limit through the consumption of marijuana or pills or any other drug that's listed in the public health law, you've committed a crime. So how do they judge it? It basically gets judged by the arresting officer claiming that you were acting in such a way that indicated to him or her that you were impaired by the use of some type of drug. They have to know what drug that is. They have to have experience in doing it. This is would be a much more difficult case for them to prove, except that the legislature made it a little easier for them. And how they did that is they said, well, since there's no line in the sand, you don't have to show that they were so impaired that it prevented them from driving the car as a reasonable and prudent driver, which is the standard used with alcohol. Instead, the legislature said, all you have to prove is that they were impaired to any extent by the consumption of a drug. This made it a little easier for the DA's offices to prove somebody was impaired by drugs. So if you've been arrested for not driving under the influence of alcohol, but you've been arrested for driving while the ability impaired by drugs, you need to understand that difference. You need to have a lawyer who appreciates the difference and can advise you accordingly. If you've been arrested and you need a lawyer, please call us 24/7, and we're available to discuss your case with you. Thank you.